What's up, guys? Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory, and I want to bring you an update on Link Wizard. This platform was just optimized for speed and added some new features. So if you haven't signed up for your free starter account yet, go ahead and head to tryjohnson.com, get signed up for the Marketing Automation Toolkit, and you will have access to a Link Wizard account and be able to use these features immediately. So I want to jump in and just show you what this does. It's a very awesome platform. You can track all of your marketing metrics, your clicks, conversions, and sales, and also customize the way it's going to look on social media. So you see this preview here. Every time I share this link on Facebook, it's going to look amazing. So if you have affiliate links or other long links that you want to clean up and turn into a clean-looking custom domain link to help build your brand and authority, Link Wizard is going to help you do that. So if I come to Facebook and I go to make a post, all I have to do is drop that link right here, and you can see this is the link that is going to display. And anytime I share my custom short link, it will display this version. So this was actually from my website, so I already optimized it a little bit. But a lot of times, you know what I'm talking about when a link kind of has a broken preview and stuff like that. So it's not very cool to share, like maybe this Facebook group link. If I try to share it, it's not going to be very pretty, but if I actually copy my Link Wizard link and share that, it's going to display what I want people to see. So you can completely customize the look of how these look on Facebook, and you can actually add your Facebook pixel directly to the link. So that's powerful. I'm sharing my Facebook group, which you can't add a pixel to your Facebook group because you don't own it, it's Facebook's, but you can put your pixel directly in the link. Then when you share your group, people are still pixeled, so you can retarget them later. So highly recommend getting this set up. I have training inside the Marketing Automation Toolkit for how to use this. You can also create file links where people can download things instantly, which is amazing. So I use this for my course. If people want to download a PDF or something like that, or a short video or audio clip, whatever you want to do, you can create a file link and send that. We also have opt-in links. So you can use these for just miniature landing pages, or if you want to quickly get access to information. We also integrate with Zapier. So as soon as someone submits this form, I have some automation on the back end that can actually go and create an account for them, send them an email. If they enter their phone number, I can send them a text message or automate an outbound IVR call or a sales bridge. Whatever you want to do, you can do that with Link Wizard opt-in links. And the newest feature we just updated is the social profile link. So I'm going to show you how it looks on desktop, and then I'll show you how it looks on mobile. So most people are going to be on mobile, right? So this is what it looks like on desktop. It's optimized for mobile. So you can use this on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you want to add content. You can now add videos, images, as well as links. And you have your calls to action here. I just added 2. You can add more if you want. So mine is an IVR. So this calls my Try Johnson Marketing IVR. This opens up directly in Messenger. This could be your personal profile. It could be your Facebook page where you have a chat bot set up. So anything you want to do there. You can also link to all your social media down here at the bottom. I just have a link to YouTube because that's the only place I want to send people. So I send them to my YouTube channel. This opens in my personal profile because I have Genius Messenger CRM set up, and I can tag people, use canned responses, and automate that largely. So that's why I have that set up there. In this IVR, if they call it, it's going to tell them to press 1 if they want to talk to me. So I know they're an interested lead, and they can press 2 and get some free software. They can press 3, schedule a call on my calendar. All that can be customized with Chirply. So that's what these videos are talking about, are these software and my new Facebook group. I'm running a contest for that, so check that out. If you guys want to learn how I'm using drop funnels to save money and actually increase my conversions with all my sales funnels, build evergreen content that's going to start ranking in Google, highly recommend jumping in my Facebook group. But let's pull this up on mobile so you can see exactly what it looks like when someone clicks your link. All right, here we are. So this is how it looks on mobile. You can see I can scroll here. These could be images. And this link will take me right to my sales funnel. You can add as many links and calls to action as you want. this one jumps into Messenger. So there's my Messenger. Obviously, I could play these videos if I wanted to. I'm going to walk through this training real quick. So that one's playing on my display since I have that set up. This one's going to be my IVR, so I'm going to call. This could be your cell phone, whatever you want. I have it set up as an IVR.
Hey, you've reached Derek from Tri Johnson Marketing Solutions. This call may be recorded for training and quality assurance. If you'd like to speak with me directly, you can press 1 now, and the call will be forwarded to my cell if I'm available. If you want to schedule some time on my calendar, just press 2, and I'll send you a link to choose a time that is convenient for you. If you'd like access to the free marketing automation toolkit, press 3, and I'll send you a link where you can get access. The toolkit. Alright, I'm sending you a link to the free marketing automation toolkit now. Feel free to check it out. If you have any questions, just shoot me a text.
So my IVR just automated that process, sent me a link to the toolkit, and it's actually just a link to my site, tryjohnson.com. You guys can go there right now, get a free Link Wizard account, 100% free. Your starter account will be free. Just enter your name and email address, and it will redirect you to the toolkit and automatically create that account for you. Hopefully this is helpful, guys. I want you to jump in, get this set up. There's training videos inside Link Wizard. So on your dashboard, you can just watch all the training videos, see how each link works, and get those set up for your business. Can't wait to see what you do with this platform. Hopefully you jump in the Facebook group as well. Love to have you in there and do some additional training. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.